Cooking made easy. Mastering, cook until tender. Hello, culinary enthusiasts and language learners. Today, we're embarking on a flavorful journey to understand a common yet crucial cooking instruction: cook until tender. This phrase pops up in recipes worldwide, and mastering its meaning is key to unlocking the secrets of delicious dishes. So, let's get cooking and learning. Cook until tender is a phrase that's as straightforward as it is important. It instructs you to cook an ingredient until it's soft enough to be easily chewed or cut. However, don't let its simplicity fool you. This phrase is all about sensory perception. It's not just a time on a clock but a quality to be observed and tested. Why is tenderness so crucial? In the culinary world, it's a sign that your food is cooked perfectly. Not enough cooking, and your dish might be tough or difficult to digest. Too much, and you might end up with a mushy mess. Hitting that tender sweet spot ensures your dish is at its peak in texture and taste. Testing for tenderness isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It varies based on the food you're cooking. Here are some general guidelines. 1. Vegetables. Pierce them with a fork. If it slides in easily, they're tender. 2. Meats. Use a fork or knife. The meat should be easy to cut and not resist much. 3. Baking. For cakes and bread, use the toothpick test. If it comes out clean, your baked goods are tender and ready. Remember, these are just starting points. Experience and instinct will be your best guides. Now that you understand the phrase, let's put it into action. Whether you're simmering a stew, roasting vegetables, or baking a loaf of bread, keep a watchful eye on your dish. Use your senses. Touch, sight, and even smell can offer clues about tenderness. And remember, each ingredient has its own journey to tenderness, so get to know the foods you're cooking with. And there you have it, a simple phrase with a deep impact on your culinary adventures. Cook until tender. Embrace it, practice it, and soon, it'll become second nature in your kitchen. We hope this video has shed light on this essential cooking instruction and that your next meal is not just tender, but also tremendously tasty. Happy cooking and learning!